One of the largest things we do is we want to make sure once they buy the vehicle that they're protected. You know, these vehicles ride a little different, they drive a little different, they wear a little different. You're putting a larger wheel, larger tire. So you're putting a little bit more stress on these vehicles, on the wheel bearings, the tie rod-ins, the end joints, the ball joints, the drag links. So we've taken this warranty that you get brand new from the factory, the 3-year 36 basic comprehensive, we can extend that all the way 5 years from the day you purchase to 100,000 miles. So we're going to cover everything like a normal Jeep store would, but we're also going to cover the wear and tear items that they wouldn't necessarily cover. So anything that these customers do, if they add a winch, if they add painted bumpers, fenders, powder coat, different lift kits, shocks that would wear out, anything. We comprehensively cover this vehicle for the time that they own it. Doesn't matter if they live here in Virginia or if they're out in Wyoming or Oklahoma. If they have an issue, they call here. And this is not a third-party thing. They call us and they deal right directly with myself or one of my team members. And we get it facilitated and handled quickly. If they need transportation, we handle it. So that's the kind of message that we want to send to our customers is when they come in here, they're not signing a contract for a vehicle for 7 years and they're on their own. We're coming together and we have a partnership with the customer as well.